Hello everyone, I'm Helen. The weather is very good today. Let's bake some food outside together. Let me show you how to light the fire with wood-fired clay pizza oven. First, put the log holder in the oven. Put a few fire lighters on the log holder. Put small pieces of dry wood on the fire lighters and then put dry firewood on top. Use an ignition gun to light a fire. After lighting the fire, move the log holder inside the oven body to facilitate bake food. It has been 12 minutes now and the temperature is about 200 degrees Celsius. You also need to add more firewood when preheating. At this time, we can use this ash collector to adjust the firewood.